Good morning, Sugar Fam. It is 7:30 in the morning and we're getting ready to go to the beach.
Oh, big stretches. Yeah, big stretches. Oh no. Oh. And the zigzag. So we're all loaded up in the car and we're headed to the airport. Pray for us.
Kids were getting a little fussy because they closed the ramp because it was raining and lightning, but now it's like super sunny.
You've never seen Guy Fieri?
I have. I don't think you look like him.
Look at that.
Nah.
I think I need to go back to my original hair.
I like it though. Woohoo! Hey, Bubba, you want to go swimming with sissies? Yeah.
It's cold though.
Yeah.
I turn the heat on, but it's not going on.
Woo! Grady! Grady! What are you doing? Shark?
No.
Are you scared? It's okay, come on.
It's a good boy.
Ran up into a wild, you wouldn't be scared.
Look who's wanted to come.
You're like, oh yeah, no, I wouldn't.
Oh my gosh. Pet down at the bottom.
It's okay. Pet right there. No. It's okay, baby.
You got it.
Are you fishing with Papa?
Put him on the floor. Oh, Bakey Noodle.
Hold it tight, hold it tight. There you go. Hold it tight.
Got him?
Got him?
Happy birthday, dear Happy birthday to you.
The next day.
Oh my goodness. Oh, you got one too?
Come on.
I'll find some more.
Don't step on him, okay?
Grammy's in the water.
But you don't have to cast it if unless.
He's coming. He's coming right that way. Oh, it's a king. I see. Don't get it. No, it's a Cuda.
Oh, no.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, look at the size of this thing, dude. Come here, let me see it. Let me see
No,
this.
this is not fighting like the other Cuda.
That's insane.
Oh my.
Look at
Dude.
this.
That's insane.
You'll feel it.
Oh my god.
Got his yellow tail. This is him.
Dude, the color on that is nuts.
Oh, that's so cool. Hey guys, so we just got back to the house and everybody is hungry and tired, so we're gonna get some food and hit the hay.